guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is the third part of the unboxing. So this is the month of May Boxy charm. So this is their typical, I think this is a $20 box. So let's start opening. I'm overwhelmed. There's a lot of boxes. Okay, so we'll start with a small one as usual. So here we got the Ciate. This is a bamboo bronzer. So a bronzer inside. I love bronzers. No smell. Nice packaging. Okay, then they have the letter, the card. It says here all the prices. And now that I have the lavish, this is the lavish brush set, eye set. And then we have Cap Cosmetic Day and Night palette. Oh my god, overwhelming, too much palettes. This is very nice color. I like this. I love this. I love to play with this. This is nice. So for $20, $25, I believe this is $25. I have to check. And then we have the fifth. This one is the Tarte. This is a Shape Tape Glow Wand. So yeah, I believe this is a concealer, I think. Yeah, I believe this is a concealer, guys. And the last but not the least, this is the Han All Natural Multi-Stick. What? In the color Roseberry. So this is for what? Oh, this is for blush, I believe. Yeah, blush. So there you go, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 5, 1, 2. 5 items. So here it says the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand is $27. Cap Cosmetic, the eyeshadow palette is $52. The Lavish Essential Eye Collection brushes is $30. Ciate London Bamboo Bronzer is $28 and $16 for the hand skincare cosmetic multi-stick. So it could be lipstick, it could be for blush, whatever. It's a multi-stick though. So 16, 28, 30. This is 40, 70, 110, $140. So I only paid for $25 of this, and I got 100 already, $40. So we'll proceed to the other boxes. So we have the Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Serum. So this is for skincare. Oh my god, a lot of skincare. It's gross. Anyway, it's okay, I'll be using it. Oh, this is what Glow Recipe. This is what Mikayla is using. Mikayla, the makeup artist. So there, one. Iconic. This is an eyeshadow palette, I believe. Oh no, a blush. Yes, I don't have blush already. That's good. Thank you. I love it. And this is the letter. Oh my god. So all the prices are here as well. I have another brush set from Boxy. A new brush set from Boxy and an emerald second from Beauty Creation. This is another eyeshadow palette. Nice colors. There's a lot of palette. God, thank you. So I think I paid for $30 for this, and that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. Okay, 4. Let's 4. Iconic London Blaze face palette is 55. Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Serum is 42. Beauty Creation Esmeralda, $13. And the Boxy Glitter and Gold Brush Set is 85. 85? That's so expensive. $200 for this item alone. 4 items for $200 already. Amazing. Just amazing. So imagine you spent for $50 for the 3 boxes, but you get worth of already $500. So the third box is here. Oops, I'm gonna show you. This is the third box. Let me just drink water. So here's the me, okay, Boxy Charm Flourish. So here are the prices. I will let you know later. So first is the LaRousse. This is another brush set from LaRousse. There's too many brushes already I have, but I'm not complaining. House Laboratory from Lady Gaga. Look at it. I'm so excited. Let me check. There you go. Nice packaging. Simple and elegant. So House of Laboratories. So they have 3 colors: Cake, Applause, Curtain Call, Contort, Scotch, Spotlight, Cameo, Shimmy, Slipper Room, Top Hat. So I'm gonna show you the color. Here are the colors. Yeah, nice. For day and night as well. So there. Love it. Okay, just leave it there. And then the second is Serum Kind Black Blossom Hand Serum. I'm gonna open this. So you open it up. Let's open it. Hand serum. This is for my mom. My mom loves serums for her hand. And then we have the Too Faced. This is the melted chocolate matte eyeshadow. Nice packaging. Smells chocolatey. Nice. Then we have the Odysseid Pure Elements B1 or BI plus C Black Cumin Kajé Pure Facial Serum. So it's a facial serum again. There's a lot of facial serum. Last but not the least, this is the reusable bamboo cotton makeup removal pads. So there. So you have item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 for the 6. Let me share with you the prices. House Laboratories Glam Room Palette, number 1 Fame, it's $34. Too Faced Melted Chocolate Eyeshadow is $21. The Odysseid or BL plus C Pimple Block. Oh, this for pimple. It's $36. Serum Kind Black Blossom Hand Serum is $27. The Rose Beauty Go is $96 for the brush set. For the brush set, just 3 items. And then the Lux Willow 4-piece reusable bamboo makeup removal pad is $20. So that is 110, 130, 170, 80, 90. It's worth of $230. Just imagine, I think I got the total. I only paid like $50 for the 3 boxes, but I got like 510, 520, 500 to $600 of products. Just imagine, it's worth it. So love it. So yeah, if you like to subscribe or like to get a subscription, if you are on a budget like monthly, you can just spend like the $25 one box of the Boxy and you can get a lot of products already. You don't have to buy in the mall for a lot of products, because you can choose. Actually, you can go to their website and choose what you really need, but it's a surprise though. You cannot choose whatever products you want. It's a surprise. You can just what you usually wear, makeup or skincare. So they will just send you product monthly. So that's it. Bye bye. Love you all.